years ago.
That's what I thought.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Start of the walk in a small village called Gladstry. Turn left, it says. Follow the road uphill to a gate. That's what we're following for a bit. We have company on the path. A lonely sheep. Some of the hills of the English-Welsh border. Offa's Dyke. There are some signposts for Offa's Dyke path. And that's one of them. In a blanket of fog, low cloud or mist. Gentle walk up Offa's Dyke. I think we're getting a bit to a ridge. Follow that through a bit and then down through a valley. Hergest Ridge in the gloom. And this is what we have out here. Wild horses. A beautiful horse. Wild horse. In with the ponies. Hey? Yeah, you want to be a pony? You have to be as big as that. This looks as though it's been here a very long time. Lichen all over it. On the horizon, just about sea. The ghostly horseman. Out of the gloom and back into the gloom. And some people on bikes. Non-native monkey puzzle trees. And we have another runner. Just a few more horses up here. What a lovely tree. So this is just a quick 10k walk, having had a 3.5 hour drive to get here. Just to do something in the afternoon. Ooh.
Silurian rocks, siltstone and mudstone interbedded, formed between 443 and 419 million years ago.
That's what I thought. This would be pretty nasty when it's wet. just spotted. Look at these guys. Down little valley and up the other side and away. Yep, it's a bridle way. That's it. You move. Whoop. Yeah, al fresco. Just a bath. And there's your water source for your bath. The last bit of descent before we get back to the car. And that'll be a nice 10k loop after a half day in the car. And that's it, all finished. And just look over at the parish church.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.